Hello everyone, this is Happy from OdishaTV.in bringing you today's news from Odisha. First, the headline. Second phase Panchayat polls face poll boycott. Villages of Bhadrak, Sambalpur and other districts allege various problems. Poll violence claims 2 lives in Odisha, injures 11 persons in separate incidents. State Election Commission to conduct repolling in 62 wards of 11 districts. Asks Panchayati Raj Department to place Baleswar Sadar BDO under suspension. SEC issues directive for safety of polling parties. Instructs SPs and collectors to provide adequate security during return journey. And former minister and BJD leader Sarada Prasad Nayak lands in trouble as complaint lodged against him on charges of cash for vote. Now the details. The second phase Panchayat poll held in 175 Jila Parishad zones in 29 districts also witnessed poll boycott in various places on Tuesday. In Bhadrak district, villagers of Kumarkhani under Rambhila Panchayat boycotted the polling alleging lack of basic amenities. Voters of 2 villages under Katekela Panchayat in Jharsuguda district also did not turn up for voting for the same reason. Alleging various problems in the village, residents of Charpali under Dhama Panchayat in Sambalpur boycotted the elections. Krishnapur villagers under Bhuvan block in Dhenkanal district, who have been demanding inclusion of their village in newly created Panchayat, also decided not to take part in the polls. Polling has not begun at 24 wards in 8 villages of Gopalpur Panchayat under Ranpur block of Nayagarh district. The villagers have demanded establishment of a hospital in Gopalpur or nearby locality, failing which they would boycott the polls. Violence related to the ongoing 3-tier Panchayat election has claimed 2 lives in the state. According to the sources, as many as 11 people have been injured in several clashes between political parties. Surendra Nayak, reportedly a supporter of BJD, who was critically injured after being allegedly attacked by his rival party's supporters in Niali block in Cuttack, died on Tuesday while undergoing treatment at SCB Medical and Hospital. Nayak's family sources said the deceased was returning home on Monday night after completing campaigning work when he was allegedly attacked by former Congress MLA Rabindra Malik and 40 of his supporters. The incident took place at Podana village under Kapasi Panchayat in Niali block. Nayak was grievously injured in the attack and rushed to SCB for treatment. In another gruesome incident, a woman identified as Minate Sabar in Saryapalli village under Katala Kaitha Gram Panchayat of Gajapati district succumbed to injuries after she was injured grievously in an attack by opponent parties during post-poll celebrations. Acting on the reports of the district collectors on booth capturing and violence during the first phase Panchayat polls, the State Election Commission on Tuesday decided to conduct repolling in 62 wards of 11 districts. According to a release issued by the SEC this evening, repolling in 62 wards would be conducted in Baleswar, Bhadrak, Baudh, Cuttack, Dhenkanal, Jajpur, Kendrapada, Koraput, Nuapada, Puri and Sundargarh districts between February 18th and 21. Repolling in 36 wards of Baleswar, Cuttack, Dhenkanal, Jajpur, Kendrapada and Nuapada districts would be conducted on February 18th and in 4 wards of Kantamal block in Baudh district on February 19th. On February 20, repolling will be held in 13 wards in Puri district and 1 ward in Lathikata block in Sundargarh district, while 4 wards in each Koraput and Bhadrak district would be conducted on February 21. The release added. Meanwhile, taking cognizance of the irregularities in the voters list in Baleswar district, the SEC today asked the Panchayat Raj Department to place Baleswar Sadar BDO Mamata Nayak under suspension and relieve her from election duty with immediate effect. The commission has also asked the department to assign poll duty to another officer in place of Nayak. Though claiming 105 Jila Parishad zones of 188 is still a winning number for the BJD, at the end of the first phase of the 3-tier Panchayat polls, the ruling party would be less concerned about its own tally and more worried about BJP's score. Even though the BJD has emerged as winner in the first phase, BJP's surge has made many to sit up and take notice. After claiming 151 zones in the first phase of the previous election in 2012, the ruling party's performance has left leeway for speculations over fading dominance of BJD and its internal affairs. BJD Supremo and CM Naveen Patnaik's noticeable lack of participation in the campaigning, discord within the party, and mismanagement of the elections are said to be the reasons behind its substandard results so far. Many observers opine that the lack of disciplinary action by the party in controversial matters, including the mayor, ministers, and leaders, has cost the ruling party dear. While many argue that the election is no longer a triangular fight as the Congress is fading into oblivion. In the wake of violence in the ongoing Panchayat elections, including instances in which polling parties are attacked in some places of the State Election Commission on Tuesday issued guidelines for the safety of polling parties. In a communique issued to all the collectors and superintendents of police, the SEC said adequate steps should be taken to ensure that the polling party returns to the block headquarters with police escorts. Citing that ballot papers and ballot boxes were snatched in some places by the miscreants during return journey of the polling parties after conducting the poll in respective wards on Monday, the commission said that the polling party, instead of coming on their own, shall be escorted by the sector officer with an armed guard and the police mobile parties.
ये जो गतकाली इनसीडेंट है ताकू देखि कमिशन आज सब कलेक्टर और एसपी मान को इंस्ट्रक्शन देइछन्ती जे पोलिंग पार्टी फेरला बेले एडिक्वेट सिक्यूरिटी अरेंजमेंट करेंगे एवं आमर पोलिंग पार्टी सांगे पुलिस जो मोबाइल पार्टी रोची से रहिबो विदाउट पुलिस एस्कॉर्ट रे पोलिंग पार्टी फेरिबो नाही.
In response to the complaint lodged by the RTI activist against senior IPS officer of Odisha cadre in his gross misuse of power and authority, the centre has sought a report in this connection from the State Home Department. As per the complaint lodged by the RTI activist Jayant Das, Special DG of Odisha Crime Branch, BK Sharma has grossly misused his power authority. According to Das, Sharma had taken admission in Bachelor in Law in the University Law College Bani Vihar in 2011 to 12 and 2012 to 13 academic sessions. His attendance in the first and second year was 75% and 85% respectively. Stating that Sharma had attended the classes while he was on duty in gross violation of the rules and misuse of his power and authority, Das urged the ministry to take appropriate action against the IPS officer. In response to the complaint, the Home Ministry in a letter has asked the Principal Secretary of the State Home Department to probe into the matter and initiate appropriate action against Sharma. Besides, it has also asked Sharma to reply to the allegation brought against him in 15 days. Former minister and senior BJD leader Sarada Prasad Nayak landed in trouble after a complaint was lodged against him in Jharipani police station in Sundargarh district on charges of cash for vote. Nayak, who is the chairman of Raulkela Development Authority, along with his supporters, was allegedly distributing money to voters at Jharipani Panchayat under Bisra block on Tuesday night. Local people gherawed the former minister and others, following which Nayak scuffled with them. Later, police brought the situation under control and started investigation. Before wrapping up, the news headlines once again. Second phase Panchayat polls face poll boycott. Villages of Bhadrak, Sambalpur and other districts allege various problems. Poll violence claims 2 lives in Odisha, injures 11 persons in separate incidents. State Election Commission to conduct repolling in 62 wards of 11 districts. Asks Panchayati Raj Department to place Baleswar Sadar BDO under suspension. SEC issues directive for safety of polling parties, instructs SPs and collectors to provide adequate security during return journey. And former minister and BJD leader Sarada Prasad Nayak lands in trouble as complaint lodged against him on charges of cash for vote. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.